If your car suddenly feels like it lost its muscle, or you're hearing a strange surge in the engine when you're trying to maintain a steady speed, you might be dealing with a P024E code. This one is all about the turbocharger or supercharger boost control A circuit being intermittent or erratic, and it is something you want to fix fast before it leads to serious engine damage. Whether you have a heavy-duty Duramax or a snappy Volkswagen, the PCM is constantly trying to manage how much air is being forced into the cylinders. On modern rigs with a VGT, or variable geometry turbo, the computer moves tiny vanes around the turbine to adjust boost on the fly, while older systems use a wastegate to bleed off pressure. When that A circuit starts acting up, it means the communication between the computer and the control solenoid is breaking down. You might experience underboost, where the car feels like a turtle, or even worse, an overboost situation that can cause dangerous detonation. Start your diagnosis by doing a simple visual check of the vacuum lines and the wiring harness around the turbo. Look for anything melted or cracked. If you have a scan tool that allows for bidirectional control, try commanding the solenoid to move while the engine is at about 1,200 revolutions per minute. You should hear the engine tone change as the vanes or wastegate move. If the PI data on your screen does not change while you are doing this, you have narrowed it down to the sensor or the circuit itself. Use your meter to make sure you have a solid 5-volt reference and a good ground at the sensor. Sometimes the solenoid itself just gets tired and its internal resistance goes out of spec, so checking that with an ohm meter against the factory settings can tell you exactly if the part has failed.